Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about file handling, about adding, subtracting, and all the operations in Python and with time. So I'm gonna do it in my time, Canada Eastern, EST. Okay, you guys can do this code and put your time. By default time, it's GM time, meaning London and the UK time. Okay? If you check on live, you can check on live the GM time. So we'll start the program. First, we have to define a function to get into file hand before we get into file handling. So define calc a comma b. Next, we're going to do the addition equals to a plus b. Subtraction a minus b, multiplication a times b, division a divide b, remainder a percentage b, what else? Quotient a equals a, double divide b, exponent a 2 stars b. Okay, that's what exponent is, if you guys know that. Next, we're going to open the file. So file equals to open calc.txt. As you can see here, the calc.txt. Anyways, comma A mode. So there's three modes in file handling. Read mode, which is R, W mode, write, which is write mode, which is W, and all mode, which is A, meaning it can do read and write both. So that's why here we're doing A. So it won't like overlap. Because when we do write, like W, it's gonna overlap. Reading, you can only read the text. You can't change anything with it. But with A and W, you can do that. Anyways, file dot write string formatting. We're going to do the sum is add. For now, copy it. So Control C, then Control C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're gonna write the sum, multiplication, division, remainder, quotient, right? And exponent. I think I added how much operators is that? 7. I put 8 by accident. Now we're gonna add in the variables. We'll replace add with the rest of the variables. So for the sum, meaning subtraction, is sum. This is multiplication, division, remainder, quotient, and finally exponents. Okay. Anyways, going on with that, this is pretty easy. But since we're gonna write the time, because right now our time here is 1:46. 1:46 p.m. right now. Okay? If you're watching. 1:46 p.m. It's right now, okay? Anyways, that's the time right now in Canada Eastern. So, next thing we're gonna do is again file.write to separate them, right? File.write, or we do this. Make a big line to separate it, then /n. Oh, I forgot that too. /n, 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 and /n. That's it. Okay, then we just call our function main function in bracket. Oh, I did something. Bracket input, bracket quotation marks, enter your number. Okay. Next, we're going to do the same thing for B. So Control C and Control V. B, call our function. Then, this is not it yet. This was just for the addition, okay? Okay. What should I write? Yeah, so see, it's right in here, but we haven't added the time yet. Okay? So, next thing is now to add the time. Before we do that, I want to show you I live in EST. So let's do this. Canada Eastern. We have to put something called from date time to get the particular time zone. Import date time. Okay, that's good. Then from PYTZ. You guys can pause the video to like think about it what this is. Import all time zones. Okay? We're first showing you the time zones. Meaning PYTZ, meaning Python time zone. First we're gonna print all time zones. What's that? We're gonna, I believe, we'll erase this. So here, all the time zones are over here. All the time zones about what you can think of. Here is the GMT time, okay? Okay, let's try it. Let's find my time zone. Okay. Which is in A is somewhere there. C. I found C. Yeah, Canada Eastern. Right there. That's where I live. This is our time. This is basically the time zone. Okay? So we can now finally erase that. That's Canada Eastern. So time zone. You can put your own time zone. Like I can put Indian time zone if anyone here is Indian. Yeah, and you guys can say hi to my little brother. Okay? He's also been recording videos, as you can see. He's been making sight words and all those stuff. He's also done Python programming before, not this complicated thing. Okay, anyways. Next, we're gonna make a variable. Current time is date time equals date time dot now. Meaning date time dot now, the time dot now. Time zone, if time zone, Canada Eastern. Put this in double quotes because it said there before. Oh, I deleted it already. And capital, Canada, I'm gonna say, okay, Eastern. Eastern. Okay? So, next thing now is to put this current time in the file.write. So, file.write f quotation marks time is current time. So, current time. Yeah. So, that's pretty much it. So, let's go. I hope I deleted everything. Okay, we'll just need to wait. Oh, that's my bad. I have to add a second bracket. Now I can run the code again. So number four. Now I have to go to the file calc.txt. See, this is our time, as you can see. So, and it's separating the line too here. So time 2025 519. That's exactly what it is right now. And 1353, meaning it's 153 right now, which is correct. 23, that's the seconds. That's how much seconds. Okay? Now, you're wondering, what does this -4 mean? Really, what does it usually? Oh, I'm sorry, that's my bad. What does that usually mean? Because if you think about it, this can relate to GM time, right? Because in GM time, by default, it's going to put that. So let's check the GM time now. GM timing now. GM time. It's 5:54 p.m. In the GM time. So, it's 1:53 here. So, 5:54. Okay, you do the math mentally. 5:54 minus my time zone, Canada Eastern. So minus 1:55 right now. Okay, 55. Do the math. Leave the minutes. How much hours is this? About 4 hours, right? 4 hours and whatever minutes. You can do that in your math book if you have one. Okay? So, why is it showing -4 here? It's because in our time, right, the GM time is 4 hours ahead of our time zone over my time zone over here. That's why it's showing approximately -4. Okay? And this is all the math. So, that's how it works usually. I'll do it again. Right now, 56, so it should put 56. Okay. So anyways, okay. So thank everyone for listening about my video. about file handling, about the math and time. Okay, you can do your own time zone, whatever time zone you're living in right now. It has all the time zones there, like Canada, Eastern, Central, Newfoundland, your GMT time if you live in London or UK, and even Indian time too. Okay, so thank everyone. I hope you like it.